PLANO 3D, the self-leveling line laser with protection type IP54. For horizontal and vertical leveling, with three 360-degree laser lines. To start, simply insert the batteries and release the lock control. The laser is self-leveling and has a measuring tolerance of 0.20 mm per meter. The additional tilt function enables the precise marking of angles and inclinations. The laser has an operating range of 20 meters. With activated pulse function and handheld receiver, it can reach as far as 80 meters. The PLANO 3D has a 1/4 and a 5/8-inch thread, ideal for tripods and wall-mount devices. Dry and interior construction projects are becoming more efficient and convenient. The 3 laser lines form a cross on the floor and ceiling. This makes precise vertical plumbing and an easy transmission of reference points possible. Especially useful when installing spotlights or ceiling panels. Precise 90-degree angles are created where the laser lines intersect for installing furniture and the laying of tiles on walls and floors. The PLANO 3D comes in a sturdy transport case with a magnetic bracket and laser glasses for better visibility of the laser lines.